let's talk about the rest of today. It's going to be windy all the way through the overnight hours tonight. Here's your hour-by-hour planner. Mostly cloudy skies out there, and again, really quite breezy. So make sure you're bundled up. Even though temperatures are in the upper 30s and low 40s, it feels like the 20s for most of us, at least around the metro area where the wind's really blowing. 5 o'clock this evening, 36 down to 35 at 10 o'clock. You'll notice temperatures don't change much because that east wind stirs the air and prevents the temperatures from dropping too much. So let's revisit this winter storm watch. Not for today. Don't expect any issues to cause problems on the roads today. It's for tomorrow, especially tomorrow afternoon and evening, all the way through the day on Friday. So it includes the Willamette Valley, Coast Range, Cascade foothills, also the gorge, and east of the mountains. This winter storm watch in effect for the same system will bring snow east of the Cascades starting on Thursday. Here's a live look at satellite and radar. Just a few spotty sprinkles down near Eugene. We just don't have a lot of moisture to work with right now, and dew points are extremely low, so really dry air in place in Portland. 39 right now in Portland, but look at all that cold air east of the mountains. Cold air is really dense, and the atmosphere wants to even itself out, and the only way it can do so is rush that cold air through the gorge, and that's why we're seeing the east wind. So again, cold air is moved out of the north into the Pacific Northwest, and it's going to collide with some moisture as we make our way through Thursday and Friday. So what does that mean for all of you? Well, here's a look at metro storm impacts. So we're talking about strong winds for the next couple of days. Wind advisory all the way through Friday morning. Gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour. So now you're wondering about the snow. When will we see snow? It looks like moisture is going to be pretty limited, so I think our snow totals will be closer to a trace to 1 inch. Some models indicating as much as 2 inches of snow in the northern Willamette Valley, north of Salem, around the metro area, and that would happen on Thursday night, starting right around the evening commute. My concern is this wind is just causing the air to be so dry, might eat up a lot of that moisture initially. There'll be a transition to freezing rain by Friday morning, up to 4/10 of an inch of rain. I think a lot of us will see closer to 1/10, 2/10 of an inch of freezing rain before we see the transition over to all-out rain, and temperatures are above freezing Friday afternoon through Friday evening, thawing first in the southern Willamette Valley. So folks asking, is this going to be a crippling event? And right now it doesn't look like it. Things of course could change, but I want to walk you through the next couple of days. So mostly cloudy, 5 o'clock this evening. Notice not a lot of moisture. You may see a flurry or two later on tonight, but that's about it. Nothing to cause problems on the roads. Tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock, commute has come and gone. We're still pretty dry in the northern Willamette Valley. Some showers down south, potentially some freezing rain between Eugene and Salem. And then that moisture finally makes it to us. But again, that east wind eats a lot of it up, so it doesn't look like we have much to work with. That's 4:30 in the evening. Could see some snowflakes flying during the evening commute tomorrow. And then we'll see waves of moisture overnight, but it's not consistent. So you'll notice it's not solid snow, heavy snow like we had the last time around. 8 o'clock in the morning, some of us catching a break from the precipitation, others of us seeing that freezing rain around. So we'll see scattered showers throughout the day. I think moisture will increase throughout the day on Friday, but temperatures increase as well as we get a southerly push of wind and start to thaw things out. So I think this weekend looks really pretty wet, but we won't have to worry about winter weather anywhere except for in the higher elevations of the Cascades and through the gorge. The gorge will likely remain pretty messy all the way through the weekend. So let's talk about your regional forecast. A strong east wind through Friday in the gorge, all snow, 2 to 4 inches possible by Friday night. Cascade 6 to 10 inches possible, but that snow level climbs to 4,500 feet on Friday afternoon, and eastern Oregon 3 to 6 inches of snow possible there. Let's get on now to your 7-day forecast and show you what to expect. There's another brush with winter weather early next week, so we'll be tracking that closely. Again, Super Bowl weekend, perfect weekend to sit inside, eat some good food, and watch football.